After many years of collaborating in building our family and raising our children, adopting numerous cats, and even spoiling a blind Australian cattle dog, we're now collaborating to share Steve's unique style of watercolor painting with the world.
The goal when I paint isn't to create an exact representation of a scene. Instead, I paint to evoke a feeling or prompt a memory. I paint to nudge stories to life. When someone tells me that one of my paintings reminds them of a time or a place in their lives, when the story the painting tells merges with their own story, I know I've tapped into my calling.
We know that the struggle between darkness and light in this world is real. Our goal is to stand on the side of light by producing compelling and evocative art that tells stories and connects people on a meaningful level. We strive to share Steve's paintings with as many people as possible in the hope that they will inspire, encourage, and stir emotion.
I've always been drawn to watercolor painting. I appreciate the unique flow of paint, the melting color, the way light takes shape and comes alive on paper. Watercolors are a bit free-spirited. As an artist, I've had to learn that I will never master the paint, but rather to work with it. I've learned several life lessons from watercolor painting, such as acceptance, perseverance, letting go and pushing through, how to be freer.
Along with creating paintings and offering them out into the world, part of our vision is to offer other artists affordable and accessible lessons on how to work with watercolor and experience freedom of expression. We never want an artist in any of Steve's workshops or private lessons to create paintings that look just like his, because every artist has a unique voice. Every painting has a story, and every viewer has a point of connection. Difference is good. Freedom comes from taking chances, breaking the chains of convention, and embracing mistakes.
There's always more to the story, whether it's creating art that connects with the viewer, teaching others to be freer in their expression, or both. Our goal is to bring light to the world through art.